when the fridge light hits me late at night. I swear I already ate, but I'm not alright. Told myself I'm done, yeah, that was a lie. There's leftover pizza and it's calling my mind. I try to eat clean, I try to behave, but the freezer got secrets that I can't escape. Every diet plan starts feeling fake when the ice cream whispers my name. It's not my fault, don't look at me. That snack drawer got bad energy. If you open it, you'll understand. This is bigger than a hungry man. Don't get too close when I'm by the fridge. It's dark inside and I'm weak with this. When the hunger shows, yeah, that's my sin. Don't blame me now, blame the chicken wings. Midnight snacks, yeah, they hit the hardest. Said one bite, now the bag departed. Reading labels like they gonna save me. Calories staring back like they judging. I know tomorrow I'll regret this meal, but right now this burger feels too real. I fight temptation, I always lose, cause the drive-thru light stays on past 2. I'm not a monster, I'm just hungry. Don't get too close when I'm by the fridge. It's dark inside and I'm weak with this. When the hunger shows, yeah, that's my sin. Don't blame my soul, blame me. Onion rings, onion rings, onion rings. I'll start the diet tomorrow. Probably adjust it to fit suno. Udio pacing. Don't get too close.